Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a GE CleanSpeak dryer, and on the display it's giving you an F011 error, and you're like, what's going on? What is this error, and what do I need to do to get rid of it? And so real quickly, this is not even hardly an error. Basically, the F011 occurs when you try to start a dry cycle. The dryer goes to start its cycle, and then the dryer senses the humidity and says, hey, wait a second, what's in the dryer is already dry. And so, you might be getting this if you've put something dry in there that you want to use you're trying to warm it up or something like that. With the dryer sensor, it won't, in certain cycles, it won't let you run clothes that are already dry. So you can either put something wet in there, or you can change the cycle that you're running it on in order to get it to run while the clothes are already dry.